Came all the way to Orange County for y'all. Of course, we have to get started at the Nike factory store out in Orange. They're really pushing the running shoes out here in Orange. Of course, we have to get started on the back wall. 30% off. And I totally forgot they do get refurbs here. They got Jordan 1 football cleats right here, 93. Got LeBron 22s for 90. Trying to find as many refurbs as I can. 45 for the Cortez right here. Interesting colorway, like Washington, the Commanders, Redskins. But just like most other spots I've been to lately, not that many refurbs. Shox R4s. This is actually one of the OG colorways. I think this is the one that Vince Carter wore, right? These are $9.5, $78. Does say slightly imperfect, so check those. If it says slightly imperfect, you definitely want to check the pair to see what the imperfection is. So you got these flight cords, Jordan flight cords, 53, 30 off. Checking out the size 9. These are some Field Generals right here, $40. $40. Was that 28 after the discount? Got some Vomeros right here. I think these are the Vomero Plus. Yeah, Vomero Plus, 150. 150 gets it close to 100. Apparently these made it out the shelves. Jatu's 85. Got some KD 18s, all green. Great if you're a Boston fan. 155. I got these Shox right here. These are 9.5, 93. Vomero 18s, 135. Another Vomero 18 right here. This is a really good colorway. 140. That's the size 12. What's this? What is this? The Gatos right here, 115. 10.5 right here. Vomero 18. Wide right here, 135. And walking by the Big Feet Gang sizes right here. Look, this is size 13 right here. It's kind of the same as the other spots that we've been seeing. There's a trend of very few size 13s, literally from right there to right there, and then obviously those are going to be 14s and 15s. So yeah, Big Feet Gang, there really hasn't been much, and I swear it's been like that at every freaking outlet. Quite a few sales racks or the clearance racks for apparel, 30% off, and we've been seeing them get rid of all kinds of winter gear. Got this two-toned, is that the tag right there? Got two-toned tech fleece right here, 115 though. Got some khakis. Oh, these are slacks. They're a little thicker, but they're slacks. $60. Got some cargo. Dude, with cargo pants, you kind of need belt loose, right? Like, this is not a cargo pants, is it? Kind of is, but kind of isn't. The material's definitely like a khaki material, kind of like cargo pants. These bad boys are going for $60. Normally 110. This camera does not do great with orange compared to my last camera. I got more tech fleece right here. All the tech, ooh, $70. That is a small though, but that's not bad. Kind of a difficult blue. Just straight blue. There's a little bit of purple in it. Got this cream color Nike pants right here. It's like the thinnest freaking elastic waist I've ever seen. 65. It's crazy because the material is like so premium, and then that elastic just makes it feel cheap. Like, if you want to charge a ton, like, at least make that elastic nice and fat, so it's nice and snug around your waist. $40 for these sweats. These joggers right here, 50. More slacks, 125. I always had a training pants though. Should be like golf or something. I don't know. All right, let's go check the 10.5s. I was like, what is this? This looks so freaking weird. They have a Structure Plus. Never seen that. So has more stability, but it has a little more cushion than the Zoom Structures. I've never seen that before. But yeah, they did say they're gonna come up with a plus and a premium of all their running shoes, and it's going to be the Structures, the Vomeros, and the Pegasus. So that kind of makes sense. 170. Vomero Gore-Tex right here, 140. Got the Jordan 4 RMs. We've been seeing these everywhere. $65. That can match with almost everything. Solid price. Especially since you get that 30 off. Shocks R4 is 100. Books right here 100 as well. There's some mids. Yeah, there's some mids. 90, 9.99. Jordan Sessions going for 60. Diamond Turfs right here. Go for 110. Ooh, got Kobe's right here, 170 for these bad boys. The Kobe Pro Tro 3s. Don't know what colorway this is, but we got these bad boys. I've been buying less and less high tops, to be honest, or mid tops, other than the Kobe ones. I just really like the Kobe ones too, though. But LeBron 22s go for 140. Jordan 1 mid, size 11 right here. That iridescent stuff, $100. Yeah, all these have been 140 lately, right? Yeah. Starting to see these Jordan 1s. These are the Elements right here. These retail for $200. This color is a little difficult, but decent outdoor shoe if you need an outdoor shoe, I guess. I just wouldn't want to mess up the upper on these because I just like wearing Jordans. These fit like the regular Jordan 1. These are 10.5 and they're slightly roomy for me. It's weird because the OGs fit differently than the regular lows, and yeah, these are beefy, dude. These are the beefiest Jordan 1s you'll ever see. $2 is kind of interesting. And see the midsole, they definitely have a lot more cushioning. Outsole definitely a lot beefier too. And yeah, these are the cheapest we've seen them, $110 as opposed to $2, which is the retail. And it says gently worn. They look super clean, other than me trying it on for 5 seconds right here. We're about 7 minutes in, it looks like. Let's check out the rest of the clearance apparel. There's like a few racks. I think I need to speed through them a little bit more. Been seeing these. I like the black one. I love the black one. $60. After the 30% off, it comes out to what, $42 or something? $42. Not bad. 38 for these. These aren't the 24/7s. Feel really nice though. Not super thick, but really good material. Probably has a little bit of polyester in it though. Yeah, 65 for the LA Rams hoodie. Got these in small, medium. Los Angeles Marathon shirt right here, $50. Illinois pullover. Kind of random seeing that out here, $125. Speaking of Illinois, how did your guys' team draft the Niners? I don't know. We traded down a bunch, and then we reached on a receiver, and then got a running back, and we got a running back last year. I think we spent like a 3rd round on a running back, or 4th round, 3rd or 4th round, and he didn't even play. I don't know. But yeah, they got these in a large. I think out of last year, we only got like 2 guys that actually played significant minutes. And our D tackle, actually the D tackle is the only one who became a starter. I don't think anybody else came out to be a starter. I was like, God dang it, dude. It's so freaking frustrating. God dang it. But yeah, that's this rack. Short section just has not been very interesting to me lately, because they've been having all these like running shorts and stuff like that. These fleece ones right here, $40. Yeah, the rest of it are these running and swimming shorts, I guess. Yeah, same old. Tons and tons of t-shirts. Bunch of graphic tees, 30% off. Ooh, what's this? LeBron jersey right here. This is a small LeBron jersey. Oh, it is full 120 though. Damn, dude. Damn, they waiting to drop the price after the playoffs, maybe? Or maybe it just got here. But yeah, t-shirts. Mo t-shirts. All right, not too many size 13s. Let's knock out the bigger sizes though. Good news is I do see extended size pricing. Like on these Pegasus, $80. Some Shocks R4s, no extended size pricing on these. Gatos right here, go for 60. These some Max R's or something. Max R2s go for 60. What are these patent leather? Oh, these are the T90s, go for 80. free Metcons right here, 65. Even in the size 12, they got some extended size pricing. 130 for these Air Max DN Roams right here. This is the same thing. No extended size pricing on those. 11 and a half. 90 for those. Even the 12s, they just have one row now. Damn. What's happening to all the size 12, 13, 14s? Are they just making less? I think they're just making way less now. I think that's what it is. Like back in the day, how you guys would never be able to find your size. I think it's going to go back to that. But yeah, $60 for the flight cords. Seems like they're trying to limit a lot of the shoes anyways, even for the regular size or smaller size folks. $135 for these. Another one of these in the size of, is this the one we saw? No, this isn't the one we saw, is it? One low SEs right here with the elephant print and the yellow. Tour yellow, yeah, that yellow looks exactly like the lightning yellow. $100. Been seeing these at Ross. These have been marked down to 48 over there. They are 120 here, minus 30. All right, to the smaller sizes over here. Invincible Run Flying It 3s right here. Why are they still $90 though, man? I was getting them for like $90 like a while ago. What's this? Air Force? How's nobody picked up these Forces right here? That stuff is about $58. $58. It does say gently worn, but they might have been tried on. But I don't see no creasing or nothing. No creasing or nothing. This might be one of the best deals here. Holy crap. Especially with that extra discount. I don't know any size. 8.5, because that's size 8, but I always go down half a size on the Forces. If this was a 8.5, I'd grab it for my kiddo, but yeah, nah, damn, dude, that's a hell of a price. Comes out to $46. You just won't see any Forces any cheaper than that. Got some Gatos right here, go for 70. Got books right here, 100. Field Generals, 50. Cortez right here. I got this colorway at home, $80. Is that because this is in Orange County? You know, in LA, those would be sold hella quick. All right, we got ton of aisles to check out. And of course, as usual, plenty of the no-name J's over here. Of course, I got names, but we don't know them. Dude, got some Jordan 3s right here, Jordan 1s. Then on this side, we got quite a few, including mids. It's like a Christmas mid. Patent ones right here. Shattered backboard mids. Summit white, blue chill. Varsity red. They call those bread mids. I don't know. Got sail, deep royal blue. The shattered backboard lows. Whatever this color is. Patent breads right here. Got all the budget signatures right here. Prices going down. Got Kobe 9 Elite Highs right here. Nike Waffles. Tailwind 79s. LD 1000s. Field Generals. Got Dunks. More Dunks. All the generic Air Maxes over here. Tech Challengers right here. One of the OG colorways. These were the Akasis, right? 270s. Air Max TLs. This is the one that someone was asking about the neons, if any of the finish lines had them. I don't know, but never even knew that model. That's the Air Max TL 2.5s, DN8s, 2017s, and a few different colorways. Air Max 90s, all white, all black. Whatever colorway this is. Wolf gray right here. These are not B grades. They got the budget 270s right here. Couple of Monarchs right here. Couple more 270s right here. Miguel, Sebastian, appreciate you guys watching. Talked to them for a few minutes. We're all sad that the Foot Locker outlet's closed. Dang it. You got the Vomeros. Starting to see more and more of these here. And even the wides. Hopefully when they make the back wall, hopefully the price goes down. All right, let's go see what's up with the women's clearance section. Bigger women's size. Look at this. 60 freaking dollars. This is 11.5, so size 10 for men. Look at the $60. 60 freaking bucks. What's that dropped out? That down to $42? 42 effing dollars. Got A1s right here, go for 80. Size 12, these are DNs, $80. You get another 30 off. That might be the cheapest Air Max DN8s I've ever seen. Dunks down here, size 12, $60. This is why I tell you guys, check out the extended sizes in the women's. Look at this, $70. Vaporfly Next Percent, what? 135. Oh man, how come I can't find one my size like this? 135. It's a size 10. I don't know why I can't talk. Size 10, women's 8.5, men's 135. Another 30% off, so under $100. Got some Forces right here with the hint of gold on it. $60. 110 for these. This is the lowest we've seen these. 110. Color's kind of crazy, but 110 for these bad boys right here. If you know any women with big feet, look at this. This drops that down to like what, $80? Under $80, 70, what, 77 or something? That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. And then these right here are fire. $60 for these. If they had my size, I would grab these for $60. I like these. I like them. The fluffy laces. Got the suede on the side panel as well as the toe box right there. Got suede. Nike swoosh. Got all that extra stitching. I am a fan of these. Do come with extra laces. That is so freaking, that's so cheap. I would check to see if they have my size, but they got rid of that feature on the Nike app. Thanks a lot, Nike bastards. I put that sticker back. And then look at this. Got some mids right here. $65. Damn. Solid deals. That's why I tell the fellows who wear size 8, 9, and 10s, make sure you guys check the bigger women's sizes. They got some crazy deals sometimes. Regular women's sizes over here, or the more regular women's sizes, more common sizes, size 8.5, Jordan 5s. Right here, I do not remember this colorway coming out. Materials are nice and soft. 140 for these. These must have come out the aisles because I see quite a few of those. Size 8 got mids going for 100. DN8s, now that these are not extended size priced, 115. You could see the difference in pricing. Got these going for 135. A1, see a ton of those, $90. Jordan Hair Refurb right here, $58. Hella bright colorway of these Vomero 18s, regular price, I guess. Saw these Jordan 1 mids that were extended size price earlier, $90 for the regular sizes. And then regular size of these, $145. Oh, this isn't the Pegasus Premium though. Vomero Plus 150. Dodgers colorway, kind of Dodger, kind of not really. 55. Damn, I kind of wish they had some of my stuff right here, some of my size stuff. Even if they had a size 10.5, I would probably. Nah, my kid, never mind. My kid wouldn't wear that. He wouldn't like that purple. I would wear it. Damn. And those Jordan 1s. Right? Damn, dude. There's a few things that I would grab if they had my size. Dang it. All right, moving on to the women's aisles where we see dunks and dunks and dunks and dunks. Then we see 4 more pair of dunks over here. Got a deluge of dunks, and I think we're gonna see more and more in the future. Got Cortez, Forrest Gump colorway. Such a classic one. Speaking of classics, dude, got these nylon Cortez right here. Field Generals, multiple colorways. Damn, look at that price. That one right there. Waffle Debut Vintage. Damn, look at that price. Air Max 270s, all black, all white. Black and white. Light soft pink. Air Max 95s. For a better price for this one. Got some J's, got some highs. Jordan 4 RMs, some mids. Oh, we've seen these highs with that iridescent
I'm not getting that
leather right there. Okay. Or lows. These have been scratched up like a mug. Oh, that sucks. Canvas ones right here. And then we do have quite a few colorways of these Vomeros. When they reach the back wall, you get another 30 off, hopefully. I guess this premium is right here. Then in the grade school, got some Jordan 1 low OGs right here. Game Royal. And of course got mids. We got some pretty dope retros right here in the grade school, including these 12s. And of course they gotta have some dunks, some Forces. What a selection here. Definitely got to come back more often. Man, what a selection. Almost ended up buying a few things. All right, we out, you guys. We out.